This week I'm testing the Volkswagen T-Cross, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the boot floor of the T-Cross drops down about 10 centimetres, which is excellent. It enables you to get a twin or a double pram into the back here. Number 2 is the legroom is good in here. With a forward-facing child seat behind the driver, we could fit a 186 centimetre driver in front, or with a rear facing on the passenger side, then a 186 centimetre passenger can fit in front of that. Number 3 is the handy drawer hidden underneath the driver's seat. It means when you go to the beach or the park, you can leave your valuables in there and they're out of sight. I have loved driving the T-Cross with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.